Hello friends. To access the AI Trading Terminal platform, you will have to visit this URL aitradingterminal.rasukwon.com, and here you either click on login or get started. If you have not yet created an account, I would suggest click on get started. Provide your email, create a password, confirm password and sign up. This will send a verification email to the email ID that you have supplied here, which you can verify, and then you can log in. So let me log in now. All right, so I have logged in. And when you log in, you will have free 7-day access. In this 7 days, all the features are available to you. So I suggest use it as much as possible and see whether this is something that you might require on a longer term or not. All right, so once those 7 days are over, this execute button will be disabled and then you will have to purchase a subscription. Again, at this point, I would want to let you know that building a server that supports this kind of a project, the AI tokens, etc., the cost adds up, and therefore I have kept a monthly subscription price. As of now, I'm seeing whether the price that I have kept is viable. And again, feel free to give me your feedback. If you think that you're getting less value for the subscription price, do let me know and I'll consider it. All right, so once these 7 days are over, just click on subscribe now, and this will take you to the pricing page. Here you have two options. Either go with the monthly subscription or a one-time 3-month purchase. The monthly subscription gets auto-renewed every month, but this 3-month pass you will have to repurchase. All right. So all the Udemy students can use the coupon UDMY, and this will give you 50% off right off the bat on the 3-month pass. So you get 3 months of access for only $13.99 using this UDMY coupon. And then you can either check out with Razorpay, which supports card-based transactions, or you can buy using PayPal. If you want to go with the monthly subscription, once again, you can use the coupon UDMY, and this will give you 50% off the first 3 months on your monthly subscriptions, but only for first 3 months, and then the usual subscription price will apply. However, with the monthly subscription, there is a caveat that if you are going to use this coupon, please don't use this subscribe with Razorpay because Razorpay does not support coupons for monthly subscription. So if you want to purchase the monthly subscription and use the Udemy coupon, you have to use the PayPal option. All right. And if you're facing any problem, feel free to drop an email to contact@rasukwon.com, right? So just feel free to drop an email if you're struggling with any aspect of this platform.